Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you class 10 maths exercise 6.2. In question number 1 we have in figure 6.19 1 and 2 DE parallel BC, find EC in 1 and AD in 2. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. From this figure 1 I will find the value of EC, and from this figure 2 I will find the value of AD. So this DE parallel with this BC line, so I can apply here Thales theorem or BPT theorem. So in first step, just you write the given DE parallel BC. This is given in our question, DE parallel BC. If DE parallel BC, now according to Thales theorem we know if a line is parallel with one side of a triangle, then the remaining two sides of a triangle are divided in the same ratio. So here AD by DV equal to AE by EC. This I can write using Thales theorem. Using Thales theorem, AD by DV, AD by DV equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Now you just place the value of AD. AD means 1.5, so right here 1.5. DB means 3, so right here 3. Equal AE. AE means given 1, so right here 1. By EC, we don't know, we will find the value of EC, so write as it is. In next step, just you do the cross multiply. EC into 1.5 is EC into 1.5 equal to 3 ones are 3. So I need the value of EC, so keep EC as it is equal to 1.5 you take right side, and when you will take 1.5 right side it will become divide. Divide now this 1.5 1 ja 1.5, 1.5 2 ja 3. So value of EC equal to 2 centimeter. This is the answer for this figure 1. Value of EC equal to 2 centimeter. Now we'll do for figure 2. So here also same thing, I'll write given DE parallel BC. If DE parallel BC, then I can apply here Thales theorem. So using Thales theorem, exactly in same way I'll write now AD by DB. So right here AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So right here AE by EC. Now in next step, just replace the value. AD means we don't know, we will find this AD value. So write as it is. DB means 7.2. So right here 7.2 equal to AE means 1.8. So right here 1.8. EC means 5.4. So right here 5.4. Point cancel. So I'll write here without point now 18 by 54. Now 18 I can cancel with 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 6 is 54. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. Now I need the value of AD. So write here AD. And this 7.2 I'll take right hand side. And if I'll take 7.2 right hand side, then this and this do multiply. 7.2 1 is 7.2. By 3 you write as it is. Now you divide this 7.2. 3 2 is 6. Do minus 1 point you write here now 12. remainder 0. So after dividing answer, I have got here 2.4 centimeter. This is the value of AD. So AD equal to 2.4 centimeter. This answer is for figure 2. AD value is 2.4 centimeter.